Hi everyone, this is Jim with YouTube user JimLiElevators here on YouTube. And today is going to be a very, and I mean very exciting unboxing video. As you guys have read the title, it's going to be something Otis related. While this video is captured in late July, but the video is going to be scheduled to go live on August 3rd, which is in honor of celebrating Elisha Graves Otis's birthday. Yep, that's right. You heard me right. Elisha Graves Otis, who invented the first safety elevator brake system in 1853. And this is a package I received from FedEx, which is courtesy from Ryan, who is the representative member for modernization of Otis Elevator based in Houston, Texas. So a big shout out goes out to him. You're going to see what we find inside. So anyways, what are we waiting for? Let's get opening. Oh yeah, and by the way, this tape right here is kind of worn off. So luckily, I think we probably don't have to use a knife. Or maybe we do, yeah. I wasn't looking straight. But anyways, we're going to use a scissor, actually. Got a scissor right here. Remember, with any sharp equipment, be very careful. Knives, scissors, or anything, please use caution. All right, we're going to cut this open. I didn't realize that you still have to cut it open anyways. Oh, maybe it could be that easy. Yeah, or maybe not. You guys are not going to regret what is inside this box because I am super excited. Can't keep you guys waiting for much longer. Alright, got it open. This is going to be a very exciting unboxing video. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this. It's an old Otis black button elevator car top station. Awesome. Awesome. I've been looking for these, but there's something even better. Let's see what else is in this box. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You're not going to believe what. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is. Oh my gosh. You're not gonna believe what's laying in my hand. No flippin' way possible. It's an Otis Touch Sensitive. Otis Touch. Awesome. Wow, I've been dying to look for these for many years. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't thank you enough for this, Ryan. Ryan, if you're watching this, Ryan from Otis Elevator, if you're watching this video, oh my gosh. Oh, I can't. Oh my word, I can't thank you enough for this. Oh my gosh. Finally, I finally have Otis Touch. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I'm falling hard on this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm probably going to be kicked out for screaming continuously, but this also has the vacuum tube in it. Oh man. Wow. Oh my gosh, I am so flippin' touched. I can't. Oh, joy, this is... there's only... unfortunately, the other tube is missing, but thankfully, I actually have an extra one. But, oh my gosh. Touch sensitive! I've been looking for years. No way, I finally got Otis Touch. Finally. Oh my gosh, Ryan, I cannot thank you enough from the bottom. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this means a lot to me. Oh my gosh, this is really... I can't thank you enough for this. Oh my gosh, I'm in a full-blown joy right now. Ryan, if you're watching this video, I cannot thank you enough from the bottom of my heart. This is mind-blowing, y'all. Is this everything? Yeah, I think that's everything. So yeah, guys, you would not believe this. I finally got an Otis Touch. I wanted one for years. I don't even know. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I'm sorry, I'm still shaken, but my gosh, I am lost for words. Oh my gosh, my heart is pounding. I can't thank you. This is awesome, y'all. Finally, finally got an Otis Touch sensor. This fixture is what I've been looking for. I don't even know how many years, but I've been dying to salvage an Otis Touch sensitive. Oh my gosh, I cannot flip and believe this. I cannot believe I finally got an Otis Touch sensitive. This is what I was exactly looking for, including an Otis elevator car top station, which, if you guys are wondering where this came from, this actually came from out of St. Luke's Hospital, off on one of the service elevators that actually has a rear door that still has the original Otis touch-sensitive call station that has been taped over as it's no longer active when they previously modernized the elevators with Otis Elevonic 401 systems, as the elevators are currently being modernized by Otis as of right now. So now that you saw a preview on where this exact same call station came from, I will eventually upload the videos of the elevators at St. Luke's Hospital. But in the meantime, I gave this thing a nice shower. I mean, look how shiny it is compared to when I first opened this thing up. I'm pretty sure you saw how incredibly crusty it was when I unboxed it earlier ago this video. But as you can see, I cleaned this thing up. There is a little bit of, you can see a little bit of rust on the bottom ring for the down button, but it's not nearly as bad as it was compared to before. But the up button, as you can see right here, it looks nicer, a lot pristine shape. Speaking of, I feel like I did a great job making this thing so nicely in pristine condition. As I said, this was previously modernized with Otis Elevonic 401. Surprisingly, I actually have a call station that came from out of there from the previous mod that is currently being modernized as of right now. Anyways, here's the real treat. This right here is my vacuum tube, which I'm sure you remember from my past videos. And as you can see right here, yeah, I had to cover one of the tubes with a piece of paper because I accidentally bumped it over, which broke the glass on the vacuum tubes. Listen to it shaking. See, that is a glass. That is the broken glass that I had to cover with a piece of paper. Now, as I try to pull it out, see, this is what one of the vacuum tubes look like as I open it up. You see, look at the glass. Look at that, y'all. See, look at that. You can literally see right inside of the circuitry right there. See, look at that. You do not want to put your fingers in there. It's pretty dangerous if you're not careful. But that is a perfect view of what inside of the vacuum glass tube looks like. Thankfully, I actually have an extra spare tube exactly like this one that'll perfectly fit onto this board right here. So just simply take the old one out and swap in a new one. Squeeze it in, and voila! Now you have a perfectly working touch tube. So what will happen is once you point your finger close to the touch button, it'll sense heat to your finger behind the touch tube, automatically illuminating the button that you see on a lot of Otis touch-sensitive elevators back in the 50s, 60s to 70s. So anyways, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Man, I can't believe I am super in love with this call station right here. I absolutely love my Otis touch-sensitive call station. I mean, you heard how hard I was foaming. I'm sorry if this video was the most intense that I've ever made, but I was just foaming super hard and was shaking my soul off because I was looking for a call station like this for countless years and thankfully restored my touch tube, which I'm going to have to be careful to put it in a safe spot where it's not going to get vandalized again. Problem solved. First, I finally got my very own Otis touch-sensitive call station that I've been looking for countless years, as well as finally getting a new spare replacement for my touch tube. The only difference, as you can see right here, this is TD72, while for this one is TD71, including the broken one is the same exact thing. The vacuum tube is pretty much the exact same, only just the difference are the TD70 series numbering. So anyways, that's going to be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun making this, and probably the most foam-worthy unboxing video that I've ever made throughout my whole entire life. I've been doing YouTube, especially unboxing videos. This is probably the most intensively foaming unboxing video I've ever made. I mean, listen to my reaction just earlier ago. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks again to Ryan from Otis Elevator for saving this piece for me. It really means a lot to me. I still love it from the deepest bottom of my heart that I can't really thank you enough. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and that is going to be it.